This is incredible. 4th floor of the house. We're going to be painting this. Can you even believe how gorgeous?
Maybe that
Don't
let go of it, will you?
I won't let go.
Hello. Yeah, get out of that seat, though. There you go. How's it going? We may need somebody.
We got Marilyn.
Don't close the door on here.
Hello. I got it.
Hi.
Hello. Oh my welcome. You guys have been partying for like a week.
Yes.
We've had such a good. You are nothing, girl. You've gotten so skinny.
You have.
It's about time, guys.
Yes.
Nice to see you again.
How are you? You look great. You look so good.
Thank you.
You're younger every time I see you.
Oh,
Nice to meet you. Last in person. So finally.
oh.
How was the trip? Was it kind of good? Well, I was up at 3:45 this morning.
right.
I'm sorry. Who in the world gets up at this time of day?
Gosh, that was so early.
I know it, right?
Hello. Oh, my poor thing. How are you? Good. I'm so glad you're here.
There he is, hard at work.
There he is.
We have booked you on an airboat tour.
Today?
You have to be there at 3.
Oh, no.
No,
please,
yes,
2:30.
hair and ponytails. I think it's. I've never been on one. I'm dying to. I know you've done it before. We get a hold of baby alligators, promise.
Oh,
And I think this is a really good example of what makes such a good retreat. It's because of the group of ladies that we have here. And what Jen and Matt have built, between all of you, we've all created together is community. And that's what it's about. It's like the painting is amazing, you ladies are fabulous, but to see the way you ladies interact with each other, that's so beautiful. And I hope my wife does that at her retreats moving forward, because that's the most important thing, especially in this day and age. We need that more than ever. So I've learned that from you ladies the last couple of years. I thank you. Thank you very much. It's really something I've picked up more than anything. Good morning. So what we have here this morning, we have a baked French toast. Now, it's your untraditional French toast. What I did, I made my French toast batter. I did croissants, dipped my croissants in the batter. I put one layer down. And then I did strawberry jam, and then I did a ricotta cheese. I took the next layer of croissants, dipped in the French toast batter, put that on top as well. Baked it at 400 degrees for about 35 minutes. And then for garnishes, we're going to do a nice ricotta dollop, some blueberries, and powdered sugar.
All set up. Ladies are coming upstairs right now to start painting. The little aprons. Each one has their own apron. All right, so guys are ready to go. All right, we're starting with this side. Blank canvas right now, but not for long. a highlight, or add a little more white to that, and just do little highlights on the robe. We've got Colette signing. Gorgeous painting. Thank you. Okay, we have Trisha here. She just finished her painting with the pelican and the boat and the driftwood. What do you think?
Love it.
So this is Marilyn, and she's low vision. So we have the window right here with lights, and she was able to create this painting even with low vision. That's incredible. The rope. Awesome. How are you feeling about this?
Amazed.
Okay, I'm here with Kathy, and she is ready to sign her name. She just finished up painting. Nicely done. What's your favorite part on this whole painting?
I like the bird.
How cute that pelican is. I'm here with Mary. She just finished up her amazing rowboat with pelican, driftwood. Love it. And you did your own little twist.
I did my own little thing because I'm trying to get to my own little voice, my style. More impressionistic, much more messy, but it came together.
It sure did. And this is her style. I could see it.
You gonna get me upside down?
Yep. Upside down because she put a lot of texture on the bottom, so it's still drying. Very nice, Jenny.
I don't live in a topsy-turvy world anyway.
I'm here with my mother-in-law, Diane, and amazing. And
Bird.
did you ever think you could paint a rowboat with a pelican?
Oh heck no!
There you
It
are.
rolled in on my beach while I was here working.
She was like, well, if it doesn't work out, I'm just going to drown him in the water. But look at that.
It looks okay.
Did it? He looks so
I
cute.
kind of smoothed that out a little bit. Just did
Yeah, I
that.
like that.
Inspired your painting today?
Oh well, I'm trying to do this one that we bought at a store, and I wanted to try to copy it. So that's what I'm trying to do, mapping out where the flowers are going to go and the leaves and things.
What is your favorite part about your painting?
Trying to get what's in my head onto paper. I can see a beautiful scene in my head, and I love colors, so I'm trying to translate it.
What's your favorite part about your painting
The cactus.
and why?
It's the focal point of the painting, and I have never done one before. So this is a first.
And your texture looks really amazing on there.
Oh, yeah.
You need a light. Oh, yeah. You want a light up here? Yeah. There you are. Paula, we reward Paula with the Quiet Power Award for the Dabble whose calm focus creates work that commands attention.
You are going to win!
We actually have these in hand right now.
I love shiny things.
Thank you so much.
You are going
Dabble Award for Kathy goes to the Blank Canvas to Brilliance Award. For the Dabble who turns a simple beginning into something striking, the beautiful colors and that sunset, and complete. So the Blank Canvas to Brilliance. The Trailblazer Award for the Dabble who forges her own creative path and invites the rest of us to think bigger. What did she do today? She painted something totally unique and different than anything we've ever done landscape-wise. I'm so proud of your courage. You stick your neck out. She's a girl. We're awarding Trisha with the Bold Palette Award for the Dabble who commands color with confidence. It creates palettes that are bold, deliberate, and unforgettable.
That's what she does for Amazing Grace. Oh, you want to try Amazing Grace?
Yes.
You got with you. Let's see if I can do it. All right.
We'll do a duet. Go, Jen, play it. Jen, play it at the same time. Ready, go. We're at the same time.
No, she needs to solo.
Everybody.